Our product is a heater in the process industry that takes any fluid that's within a piping system and it blends it with steam and it heats it to the exact temperature. This product is just an important part of any kind of process equipment, whether it's a pharmaceutical plant or an oil manufacturer or a refinery or a steel company or a food company.
We get virtually all of our equipment from our suppliers from within a 30-mile radius.
I worked in the shop from my first days, and I recall shipping packages to Finland. My first territory was doing European sales, so I was able to go over and see all these shipments now installed in Finland, things that were shipped, in the 80s, and then I was visiting them in the 2000s. Exporting is a third of our business. We sell to about 95 countries now.
I would say that India, China, and Brazil are probably some of our largest countries that we export to, along with several countries in the European Union, primarily France. Our products will last probably 10 to 20 years on average, and in some cases 30 years and beyond. So every year when we hit that 30% mark in international sales, the vast majority of that is new equipment, so that is growing our base pretty rapidly. We have a salesperson in France and Germany. We also have a business development manager / salesperson in Ethiopia. And we have a salesperson in Thailand who supports our channel partners in Asia. Having a presence over there is really key.
There's lots of challenges in exporting. It's always difficult. Travel is very difficult, right? There's difficulties of language. There's difficulties of exchange rate. There's difficulties of customs and tariffs of making sure that we have our product designed to meet the specifications and the code of our customer base. WEDC has made a huge difference to our export efforts. They brought in experts, they brought in outside consulting, they brought in resources that we're still implementing today.
WEDC wants to be the call that they make when they don't know who else to call. We want to be a partner with them. Hydrothermal does it right, and I think that's one of the best stories here is this is a company that looks to purchase its inputs from within 30 miles, to hire its workforce within 30 miles. When hydrothermal does well, its suppliers do well. When its suppliers do well, their communities do well. And when those businesses and communities thrive, Wisconsin thrives. And I think it's important that we never lose sight of how interconnected those are. So when a company has a focus of keeping it local, keeping it in Wisconsin, helping other companies grow, that is really something special.
Wisconsin has a rich manufacturing heritage. It is a great place to call home, and it's a great place to be an equipment manufacturer.